Hello students, in the last video of the topic cost function. In the cost function, I given the homework of the 6 marks question. A firm SMC schedule is shown in the following table. TFC is a rupees 100, find TVC, TC, ABC and SAC schedules of the firm. In the last video given this homework, and these are the data of Q means quantity and SMC here. Just I am giving the calculations, how to calculation this one. This is a very important 6 marks question. That's the reason I am just explaining in the other video. Just come to here, and this is a 6 marks question. This is the question of schedule here. Just this is the question here. First we have to make the table. Okay, just you use the pencil and scale and etc. Okay, first for example write here quantity Q. Okay, this one is the Q column, and secondly we have to write a SMC. Already they are given the SMC, so we have to write a SMC. Okay, first we have to write another one. They are given here in the form SMC schedule is shown in the following table. TFC is 100 rupees. They are given already, TFC and SMC. TFC, we have to write a TFC here. Okay, first we have to write a 0 to 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 here. Okay, SMC they are given. First one is no 0 it is. Start from 1, 500, 300 and next 200 and again 300, 500 and 800, and TFC they are given 100. It means 100. You have to write 100, and here also 100, 100, 100, 100 and 100 and 100. It is compulsory. Everything is, it is a fixed cost. There have no changes. 100 rupees as it is the fixed. 100 crores or 100 rupees or anything, 100 rupees it is the fixed cost here. Next we have to find out, they are given here, find the TVC. We have to write a TVC here. Okay, TVC column, and again it is a TC. TC and ABC. Okay, ABC, and next SAC. It means average cost. We have to find out these main concept. First we have to write the formulas of these. TVC ಹೆಂಗೆ find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? For example ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? First we have to find out the TC here. TC ತಗೊಂಡ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ TVC ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. What is the TC formula? TC formula ಏನೈತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. Okay, next ABC formula. ABC is equal to TVC divided by Q. Next SAC formula. SAC formula is TC divided by Q. Okay, this is the formulas of these three. First we have to find out this one, or TVC or TC. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ TC ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ TC ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ತೊಗೋಬೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಏನಂದರೆ SMC ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರೆ. SMC ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? TCN minus A, TCN minus 1 ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ TC, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ 100 ಐತಿ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ 100 ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ? 100 ಐತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? 100 ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, 500 ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ differences. For example, we have to write here 500 plus 100, 100 plus 500. We have to write, do here 100 plus, na ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ total utility TC is equal to summation SMC. We can easily find out the TC here. For example, 100 plus 500, here 600, we get the 600. Okay, next 600 plus 300, 100 plus 500 is equal to 600. Next 600 plus 300, 600 plus 300, 6, 7, 8, 900. Again 900 plus 200, 900 plus 200, 9, 10, 1100. Okay, 1100 plus 300, 1100 plus 300, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1400. Okay, 1400 plus 500, 1400 plus 500, it means 1900. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 plus 8, 1900. For example, calculation. For example, 1900 plus 1900 plus 800 is equal to 2700. What to write here? 2700. It means 2700. 2700. ಈಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? TVC ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. TVC ಹೆಂಗೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ? ಇದು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದೇನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. TC SMC ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. 100 plus 500 600, 600 plus 300 900, 900 plus 200 1100, 1100 plus 300 1400, 14 plus 500 1900, 19 plus 800 27. It means 2700. And we get here. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ TVC ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿಸ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಝೀರೋ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ? ಝೀರೋ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಝೀರೋ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗೈತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಏನ್ಬೇಕು? ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವು ಏನು ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ? TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 100 ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 600 minus 1, we get the here 500. Okay, 900 minus 1, 800, 1100 minus 1, 1000, 1400 minus 1, 1300, 1900 minus 1, 1800, 2700 minus 1, minus 100, sorry. Here 900 minus 100, 1100 minus 100, 1000, 1400 minus 100, 1300, 1900 minus 100, we get the 1800. And 2700 minus 100, it means 2200. 600. Okay, we find out this one. Is it clear? And next, another one we have to find out the ABC. What is the formula of ABC? ABC is equal to TVC divided by a Q. TVC ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೈತಿ already we have find out the TVC easily. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 means here comes a 0, here also comes a 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 0 ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ TFC ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ABC ಅಂದರೆ TVC divided by Q. 500 divided by 1, we get the 500. Next 800 divided by 2, 400. Next 1000 divided by 3, 333.33 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. And next here 1300 divided by 4, 1300 divided by 4 is equal to 325. Next 1800 divided by 5, 1800 divided by 5 is equal to 360. Next to 2600, 2600 divided by 6 is equal to 433.33 we get. Okay, this is the ABC. Next SSC total cost divided by Q. Total cost ಅಂದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ 100 0 ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ here 0. And next TC 600 divided by 1, that is 600. Okay, 900 divided by 2, 900 divided by 2 is equal to 450. Next 1100 3, 1100 divided by 3 is equal to 366.66. 366.66. Next 1400 divided by 4 is equal to 350. Next 1900 here, 1900 divided by 5, 1900 divided by 5 is equal to 380. And next 2700 divided by 6, 2700 divided by 6, 27,000 divided by 6 is equal to 450. Okay, this one is the complete 6 marks question. You have to calculate like this. You have to write every one formula here. Just I am given in the last video and in the PDF. You have to write all the formulas in the below the calculation. Okay, this is the 6 marks question, very important. And thank you for watching, and subscribe the video and like the video. Okay.